If you're using Claude Cowork every single day to do the same exact task, whether it's summarizing your emails, prepping for your meetings, or checking your calendar, you're doing it the slow way. Cowork can run these same exact tasks on a schedule automatically without you touching anything. You set it once and it runs forever. All right, so let me show you where you can find scheduled tasks at. The way you're going to go is go to your sidebar and look for this clock emoji. And what you'll see is it says scheduled tasks, run tasks on a schedule whenever you need them. Type slash schedule on any existing task to set one up. I'll show you how to do that here in a minute, as well as creating a manual one. But there is something super important that you should note. Scheduled tasks only run while your computer is awake. So you kind of have to reframe how tasks work. If you are in the part of the workforce and you deal with data, often you're going to be building out some sort of pipeline builds that might build before work hours or later into the night, or you're going to set up some sort of schedule where you send reports to other colleagues. Maybe you want to send this at like 7 o'clock in the morning before you even log in or turn on your computer. Well, Cowork tasks, you have to have your computer on. If you do not have your computer on, the task will run the next time the computer is set up. So don't set a task for 5 a.m. in the morning if you are not going to be on your computer at 5 a.m. in the morning. Over here, then you'll see some icons of different tasks that I've built out over here. These are for some different YouTube videos. So for example, daily Cowork news, daily motivation, and daily emails. Your screen is probably blank, but I can show you really quickly how we can build out a brand new task. So all you have to do is click on this icon over here, and I'm going to click on new task, and I'm going to call this task daily calls. So imagine I have multiple calls every single day with people. I do my full-time job. I don't on here, but let's just assume that I have calls for customers. And we're going to say daily calls. I'm going to say summarize my calendar and let me know. Summarize my calendar and let me know what calls I have for the day. And then we're going to use the same thing over here. Essentially, I'm going to say check my Google Calendar for any meetings. Let me know when they are at and who they are with. And then you can set the frequency for however you want it. By default, it sets a manual. You can set this for every hour, which I wouldn't recommend. A daily, which I probably would recommend for a task like this. You could say weekdays, which is probably even better, especially if you're not going to take calls on the weekends, or you could say weekly. There's no option right now for monthly, but I assume that's going to be in over here eventually, as well as quarterly. But let's just make the assumption we want to do this as a daily task or weekdays. Choose whatever one you want and then choose a specific time. Let's say I want to do this at 7 a.m. in the morning. I know I'll be up, and then click down over here for more options, and you can see you could actually choose what model. Now, by the time you watch this here in the future, models change relatively fast, but here in March of 2026, we have Opus 4.6, Sonnet 4.6, and Haiku 4.5. I'm just going to choose Sonnet 4.6. In addition, you can choose a folder to specifically work in. Now, you can actually have your tasks in projects as well, and I'll show you how to do that a little bit later on in this lesson, but I'm going to click save over here. And now you'll notice that we have a brand new task. You'll see over here, we have something called daily calls. And if you click in over here, you'll notice that we have our description, our repeats every day at 7 a.m. Always allowed, no stored approvals yet. So sometimes if you're working in Cowork, you know how it says like, hey, Cowork needs approval to do X, Y, or Z. It could be like visiting a website or updating a file. You would allow your approvals over here. And then here are the instructions for that specific task. Now, you can run a task manually. So you can see that there's the run now button. You could also delete a task, or you could update a task. So if I want to do update over here, I cannot change the name, but we can change the description as well as the prompt. And don't be fooled with just this prompt and thinking like, hey, this is actually very simplistic. If you're familiar with different skills that are built into Claude Cowork, you can actually define a skill directly in there. And I did this in a video where we're talking about emails, but I put over here for the instructions, use the no reply in 3 days skill to find emails I need to respond to. So when this runs at 9:30 a.m. in the morning, it actually grabs that particular skill. And just to show you what this skill looks like, you can see we have this no reply in 3 days skill. And if you want to learn a little bit more about how to build out this email skill, check out that particular video. But within your specific schedules, you can throw in a skill in the prompt and it'll automatically define that. Okay, now let's take a look at how we can set one up with type schedule. So I'm going to go back and we're going to create a new task. Let's imagine I'm a huge baseball fan, which is true, and I want to see all the scores of the previous day every morning. And I'm really going to ask, what were the baseball MLB scores from the previous day? And obviously, like, this is something I could just search on ESPN or any other sports website, but maybe I just want to have this sent right here in Claude Cowork. I don't have to click somewhere else. Okay, so pretty easy. There's one game. Yankees beat the San Francisco Giants 7-0. It gives me the update over here. I'm going to say, can you turn this into a /schedule? And it says create a task that can be run automatically for an interval. So I'm going to just click that. And then it says, before I create, one quick question, what time would it run each day? I'd suggest each morning 8 a.m. So yesterday's scores are waiting for you when you start the day. Does that work, or do you prefer a different time? I'm going to say, let's use that time. Then we have the schedule pop up. I'm going to say enter. Done. Every morning, 8 a.m., you'll get a summary of the previous day's MLB scores delivered automatically. One tip, it's worth hitting run now once the schedule section in the sidebar so you can pre-approve the web search tool. That way, any future runs won't pause when asking for permissions. So this is awesome. It goes back to our permission issue and it gives us that as a heads up. So what we want to do is go back into our schedule and we're going to go daily MLB scores. So I'm going to click run now, and you can see we have these instructions auto populated just from our conversation in Cowork. So again, two different ways that you could utilize this. You could build it out all under here, or you could build it out within a Cowork search. I'm going to click run now, just so that way we have stored approvals. It's a scheduled task. MLB has started. We can view our task right there. And I'm going to just let it run until we get some approvals. So while it gave us a warning that we might have to have additional permissions, it looks like we don't need it because it was able to pull everything without any permissions. So again, just previewed that it works correctly. Obviously, I would recommend that you just run now, at least for the first time, or if you want to get any new updated data. But that was how we could do it with /schedule. I'm going to briefly show you a few other things for schedules that are worth mentioning. First, if you actually open up your sidebar, you can see that your schedules are going to be directly here. You can hide this if you want, and you can also expand each of these for that particular day when things ran. So you can see like March 26th daily MLB scores. I built out this daily motivation just for another YouTube video, but this has been running since the 23rd. So you can go each individual day, or you can just go back over here where it has the main information about that particular scheduled task. In addition, your schedules can be within a project. So for example, I have this one over here called test 123, which I made for a YouTube video. For example, in these projects, I have something called weekly sales reporting, and you'll see over here to the side, we have scheduled. So you can define a scheduled task directly in here. I can click plus and I can choose one of the different existing tasks that I already have, or I can create a new task. Now I've already showed you how to create this, so I'm not going to cover it again, but this is the same UI that we saw within the scheduled task screen where we have the name, description, prompt, as well as our frequency. So if you're building out a project and you're like, hey, I actually think a scheduled task could be a little bit helpful, you don't need to go over here and click on scheduled again. You can build it directly in over here, and you can see all the scheduled tasks associated with a particular project. So that is a high level overview of scheduled tasks within Claude Cowork. Honestly, the first task I'd recommend building out is some sort of daily morning brief. Take in your email, take in all of your meetings, as well as Slack notifications, and send that message directly in Claude Cowork. Hopefully you see that there's a ton of value in this and it should save you a lot of time. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're uploading at least 3+ videos every single week focused around AI. We also have a free school community, which you can find linked down below, which has additional resources and a free weekly call. See you guys in another video.